Hey you guys, we are outside of Publix and I'm going to show you a few deals that you can score for super cheap from May 14th to May 20th. All you need is your phone, a few digital coupons, and you can score it super big. For our very first deal, we are going to grab one of the Arm & Hammer laundry detergents. Now, you guys, they are buy one, get one free, which is amazing if you're going to have BOGO state. That means you only have to pick up one for half the price. And you guys, on top of that, we have this $2 off coupon. So let's go ahead and get to calculating. We are at $5.99. We're going to divide that by 2, looking at $2.99. We're going to subtract that $2 off coupon, just paying 99 cents for this Arm & Hammer. Amazing deal. Definitely coming with me. Another great deal that we have is on the Snuggle Blue Sparkle. They are going to be the dryer sheets. They are buy one, get one free as well. Now, we don't have any digital coupons for this, but like I tell you guys all the time, download Ibotta if you do not have it. I will put my referral code right here. You're going to save even more if you don't have it because you're going to get a $5 welcome bonus. But you guys, we are going to get $1 back, okay? And this will be a limit up to one time. So if you're going to have BOGO state, you only need to grab one of them. So we're going to do $8.79. Divide that by 2, making it just $4.39 out of pocket. But then you're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta to get that $1 back, just paying $3.39 for one of them. So amazing deal, especially if you guys are already using products like this anyways. If you are a Breyers ice cream lover, you guys, this is a good time to get it. They are buy one, get one free. And you guys, we do have a Ibotta offer where you're getting $2 back, but you must buy 2. So let's go ahead and do the calculations. So we are looking at $5.49 for 2 of them. And then we're going to get our $2 back with Ibotta, making our final cost for 2 of them just $3.49 or $1.74 each. So let me know, what is your favorite flavor, y'all? They got strawberry shortcake. I may have to check that out. Another great deal that we have is on the Sun Chips. Now, they are going to be 2 for $7 this week. So you guys, you can grab one if you would like for $3.50. But that's not the point of that. We have $1 back with a limit up to 5 times on Ibotta. If y'all don't have it, you remember I tell you guys all the time, go ahead and download it. Here is my referral code. But we have a limit up to 5 times. So you could do this up to 5 bags of chips. But let's go ahead and get our calculator. So we are going to be looking at $7 for 2 of them. We're going to get $2 back on Ibotta, making our final cost just $5 or $2.50 each. So really good deal. If you're needing some Sun Chips, let me know which flavor is your go-to. I love the garden salsa, and I'm always going to stick with the original. But y'all let me know in the comments. We also have a pretty amazing deal on the Tampax Radiant Tampons. They are going to be on sale for $4.99. But you guys, we have $1 on one coupon, making one of these just $3.99. We also have the Crest 3D White Toothpaste, 2 for $8 this week. Now, we do have a 2-on-2 coupon, so that would bring our total to $6 for 2 of them or $3 each. So if this is stuff that you use anyways, go ahead and grab it. I'm gonna be honest, I go to CVS and Walgreens for stuff like this. But you know, if you shop at Publix and you wanna grab it, go ahead and grab it. Another amazing deal that we have is on the Old Spice body wash. Now, you guys, when we buy 2, we are going to get $3 off. That $3 off does come off automatically at the register. You don't have to clip that coupon. But what you do have to clip is this 3-on-2 coupon, okay? It does expire May 16th. Make sure you clip it because they like to remove these sometimes. But in addition, you guys, we are going to be getting $2 back on Ibotta with a limit up to 5 times. So let me show you what your amount would look like. So they're $7.99 each. We are going to add that 2 times. So we're looking at $15.98. We're going to get $3 off automatically at the register, bringing us to $12.98. And then we're also going to subtract that $3 on-2 coupon, bringing us to $9.98. Now, submit your receipt to Ibotta, and that is where this comes in, okay? We are going to get a total of $4 back once we purchase 2 of them. So subtract that $4, we're looking at $5.98 for 2 of them. So that brings us to about $2.99 each from $7.99. That is insane. So about $5 off per each one, okay? So really good deal. Let me know if you score on this deal for Old Spice. Another great deal that we have is on the Lubriderm. It is on sale for $7.99. Make sure you check your app because we have a $3 off coupon. So that will make this $4.99. I love to use my calculator though, y'all. So $4.99 is what you'll be paying for the Lubriderm.